Dear seekers, today let us embark on an extraordinary journey into the heart of one of the simplest yet most profound experiences of human life, which is the moment of sneezing. It may seem trivial, but within this brief, fleeting instant lies a gateway to deep spiritual awakening and enlightenment. Let us explore this in great detail and uncover the awe-inspiring wisdom it holds. Imagine for a moment the start of a sneeze. There is a split second where everything pauses. Your mind, which is usually racing with countless thoughts, comes to a sudden halt. Your body, which is often caught up in habitual movements, becomes acutely alert. In this pause, you are fully present. It is a moment of pure awareness, untainted by the clutter of your thoughts and the noise of the external world. In that tiny fraction of a second before the sneeze, you experience something extraordinary. Your mind stops its incessant chattering and you find yourself in a state of total presence. This is not just about the physical act of sneezing, but about recognizing the potential in these fleeting moments of stillness that life offers us. In that moment, you're not thinking about the past or worrying about the future. You are simply here, now in the present. This is the essence of meditation. Meditation is nothing but a state of pure awareness. It is a state where the mind is silent and you are completely present. We often look for spiritual experiences in grand, dramatic events or in the quiet solitude of meditation. But spirituality is not confined to special occasions or secluded places. It is woven into the very fabric of our everyday lives. The moment of sneezing is a perfect example of this. In that brief pause, you have the opportunity to touch the infinite. Yes, you heard it right. In that moment, you have the opportunity to touch the infinite. It is a reminder that the sacred is present in the mundane, that enlightenment is not something distant and unattainable, but something that can be experienced in the simplest moments of your daily lives. The key to unlocking the potential of these moments lies in presence. Presence means being fully aware of the here and now. It means bringing your total attention to the present moment, bringing your total attention to the sensations in your body, to the stillness of your mind. So, when you're about to sneeze, there is a heightened sense of awareness. Your body becomes tense, your breathing changes, and for a split second, your entire being is focused on that one act. This heightened awareness is a doorway to spiritual awakening. It is a doorway to enlightenment. Dear seekers, the moment of sneezing is just one example of how life offers us these glimpses of pure awareness. Consider the moments when you are startled by a sudden noise. In that instant, your mind stops, your senses heighten, and you are pulled into the present moment with an intensity that clears away all distractions. This jolt, though brief, is a doorway to enlightenment. It is a doorway to pure presence. Similarly, when you experience a jolt of fear, perhaps a near miss in traffic, or the unexpected appearance of something alarming, your mind's usual chatter halts. Fear, in its raw form, brings you directly into the now, sharpening your awareness and focusing your entire being on the present. Think also of the moments when you feel a surge of curiosity, whether sparked by a new idea, an intriguing question, or an unexpected sight. Curiosity, in its essence, is a form of focused attention. It draws you into the moment, engages your mind fully, and invites you to explore with a heightened sense of presence. Dear seekers, these moments are all opportunities to step out of the mind's incessant chatter and enter a state of pure presence. They are natural, spontaneous meditations that life provides us. By paying attention to these fleeting moments, you can begin to cultivate a state of continuous awareness. This practice of awareness can extend to every aspect of your lives. When you are eating, be fully present with each bite, savoring the flavors and textures. When you're walking, feel each step, the ground beneath your feet, the movement of your body. When you're listening to someone, give them your full attention without letting your mind wander. This practice of uninterrupted awareness is the essence of spirituality. It is about being fully present in every moment, regardless of the circumstances. Life is filled with moments that can jolt us into awareness if we are open to them. These moments, dear seekers, are opportunities to step out of the unconscious patterns of the mind and enter a state of pure presence. Remember, enlightenment is not reserved for monks in monasteries or sages on mountain tops. It is available to each one of us. It is available in every sneeze, every heartbeat, every moment of being alive. It is about finding the divine in the ordinary, the extraordinary in the everyday. So, dear seekers, let us not dismiss these moments as insignificant. Use them as doorways to spiritual awakening. The next time you feel a sneeze coming on, take a moment to pause. Take a moment to be fully present and to experience the miracle of pure awareness. In that brief instant, you touch the infinite, you taste enlightenment.